Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Vivo Y17S. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to scroll down and click on parental controls. Now click on let's do this and click sign in. Now click on use pattern and here you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. And then click I agree. Then click accept. And now click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click on next. And then click allow. Then click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.